Hey! So, absolutely spewing. My ND filter has fallen off my GoPro, which is absolutely retarded, and I absolutely am spewing. But note to self, don't use those magnetic ND filters, especially on the Hero 8, because they're absolutely a doo-doo. Or at least for moto vlogging, or anything with high speeds where air can just get in and flick it out, essentially. You got two beamers, a Busa, fighter. There was supposed to be another two bikes rocking up, but apparently one's having issues starting up, and the other one is, I believe the chain on her bike fell off. So, yeah, that's unfortunate. But yeah, it's a quick breakfast. I'll just grab a coffee or something like that and chill for a bit, and then I think we're doing a bit of a coast run, uncertain. So yeah, it's wait to see. Somehow I got the feeling that I've been down this route, this area before. Must have come past doing something. Yeah, don't remember. Back to the ND topic, would not recommend using an ND filter on a moto vlogging setup if it isn't like comes with a chassis and a bit stronger magnetic link, because this one that I got was absolute show. Tearing up road.
Samo što je loading kao.
Alright, now we're back off. Had a nice little break. A little bit of a photo shoot. Yeah. So we'll head through Fremantle, and then a little bit of Windies, and then we can suss out everything else on the way.
Fuck off! I switched his engine when we were on the way to Frio. He was like, woo!
This should always be flashing like yellow or something, because it's like, brother, should be green. That'd be funny if I just turn here, they'll be like, ah, f So this is my route, essentially, the route I like to go down, because it's got a few nice turns next to the water, pretty scenery, nice houses, the real good. And also it's quite a chill route, especially if there's no cars. Like, very chill route, very nice houses. One day I might be able to afford one of these buggers, if YouTube takes off, that is. So guys, hint hint, nudge nudge, content, help a brother out. F***ing cars. This is f***ing obnoxious. All the turns ruined because these f***ing cars are just want to go 2 kilometers an hour around a turn. Yeah, and he's looking in the mirror and purposely doing it too. Oh my god. Find a straight enough stretch to do that earlier. Useless cars. Useless, mate. Useless. Did he get angry?
Yeah, sure.